Hello, what's up guys? Welcome to 5 Minute Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to download Facebook video without any kind of external app on Android. But before we getting started, if you are new in this channel, make sure to leave a like in this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon. So without any further delay, let's go straight into the video. So if you're using your Android device, you need to simply open up your Facebook app. So after going to Facebook, you need to find a video, of course, right? So let's say what I'm gonna do, I'm simply just searching for a video, right? So if you click on watch, and then here you will be able to see videos, and like let's suppose I'm going to this page and I want to download this video, right? So it's your choice whatever video you're gonna choose to download. So let's say I want to download this video, so you have to click on the three dot you can see. Now you have to copy that link, right? So this link actually has been copied to your clipboard, so you have to go back from your Facebook app. Okay, so after going back your Facebook app, you need to open up your default browser or Google Chrome. Alright, so after going to your Google Chrome, and then you need to paste that link which you have copied earlier from Facebook. So after pasting that link, you simply need to go on this link. So here you can see, you simply can see the video. So after, you have to pause that video, and then what you can simply do is you have to go to address bar, then here a little edit icon, you can see the pencil icon. So what you need to do, you simply need to add mbasic.facebook.com just before the link. So you have to go on this link. Now if you click on that video, you can see you simply can download from this page, right? So if you click on that three dot, there is a button of download popped up, and then if you click on details, you simply can see that video. Somehow it's this video actually it's glitched here. So if you download on your device, there won't be any kind of problem, I guess. So it's because I am using an emulator of a PC, so that's why something wrong is showing. So this is how you actually can download your Facebook video from your Android device without using any kind of external app. So I hope you guys understood how you can download video from your Android device. So we will see in the next video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask anything in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and stay with 5 Minute Solution.